Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Live streaming is exploding right now. From gaming streams to podcasts, tutorials, music channels, and even 24/7 ambient streams. Creators are using live video to grow faster than ever. But here's the challenge going live consistently is hard. You need to show up on camera, prepare content, manage the stream, and stay online for hours. That's exactly why AI powered live streaming tools are becoming incredibly popular in 2026. These tools automate the entire process from streaming pre recorded videos as live content to managing multiple platforms at once. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the best AI tools for live streaming in 2026. So, top one on the list is LiveCaster 24/7, best overall AI live streaming tool. If you're a beginner and want to start live streaming without actually going live, this tool is probably the easiest solution available. LiveCaster 24/7 is a desktop application for Windows and Mac that lets you stream pre recorded videos as live streams on multiple platforms. That means you can upload videos you've already created and broadcast them as if they were happening live. And this works on major platforms like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and other live streaming platforms. So instead of sitting in front of the camera every day, you can automate your entire live streaming workflow. So here are some of the key features. First, 24/7 live streaming channels. So you can create continuous streams that run all day and all night. For example, a 24/7 relaxing music channel, motivational code stream, a tech news stream, or educational tutorials playing non-stop. Amazing. This allows you to build an audience even when you're not online. Second, multi-platform broadcasting. So instead of streaming on just one platform, Livecaster lets you broadcast the same streams across multiple social networks simultaneously. This dramatically increases your reach and visibility. The third one is video collections and stream scheduling. So you can organize multiple videos into playlists and stream them as one continuous live broadcast. So you can schedule streams in advance so everything runs automatically. And another big benefit is hands free streaming. So once you set it up, the software handles everything in the background. So no camera, no microphone, no real time hosting, just automated live content running around the clock. So this is especially useful for YouTube automation channels, podcast streaming, marketing agencies, online businesses, or creators building passive traffic. And because live videos often receive higher organic reach from social platforms, automated live streams can significantly increase visibility and engagement. For beginners, this is easily one of the simplest ways to start live streaming without complicated setups. So that's why Livecaster 24/7 takes a number one spot on this list. Top two on the list is Streamlabs AI. So Streamlabs has been popular with streamers for years, but recently they started adding AI powered features to make streaming easier. So some of the AI features include automatic highlight detection, smart overlays, automated moderation tools, AI chat assistance. This helps creators manage their streams without constantly watching the chat or adjusting layouts. So it's especially useful for gaming streamers, Twitch creators, YouTube live streamers. So if you want traditional live streaming experience with AI support, Streamlabs is a solid choice. But unlike Livecaster, you still need to actually go live in real time. Top three on the list is Restream, another powerful tool for live streaming. So, Restream focuses on multi streaming, which means broadcasting your live stream to multiple platforms simultaneously. For example, you can stream to YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch, and many other platforms at the same time. So, Restream also includes analytics, so you can track viewer engagement, chat messages, and stream performance. So, it's widely used by businesses, podcasters, and online educators who want to reach audiences across different platforms. However, it's primarily designed for real time streaming, so it's not as automated as Livecaster 24/7. Top four on the list is OBS Studio with AI plugins. OBS Studio is one of the most popular streaming tools in the world, so it's completely free and extremely powerful. With OBS, you can create professional live streams with scenes, overlays, transitions, camera switching, and advanced audio controls. In 2026, many creators are combining OBS with AI plugins that can remove background noise, generate automatic captions, enhance video quality, and automate stream highlights. But the downside, OBS has a learning curve. So for beginners, it can take some time to understand all the settings, But once you learn it, it becomes one of the most powerful streaming tools available. Top 5 on the list is NVIDIA Broadcast. And like other tools we mentioned, NVIDIA Broadcast isn't a full streaming platform. Instead, it's an AI powered enhancement tool that dramatically improves the quality of your live streams. So it works alongside streaming software like OBS, Streamlabs, or other broadcasting tools. What NVIDIA Broadcast does is use artificial intelligence to upgrade your video and audio in real time. For example, one of its most popular features is AI noise removal. So if you're streaming from home, background sounds like fans, keyboard typing, or street noise can ruin your stream audio. But with NVIDIA Broadcast automatically removes those sounds and keeps your voice clear and professional. Another powerful feature is virtual background and background blur. There's also auto framing, so which keeps you centered in the camera even if you move around during the stream. So if you're recording tutorials, hosting webinars, or doing live commentary, the camera automatically tracks you. Now, live streaming continues to grow rapidly, and AI tools are making it easier than ever to get started. If you're a beginner, these tools can help you automate the process, reach more viewers, and grow your audience faster. But if you want the simplest way to start live streaming without actually going live, LiveCaster 24/7 is easily one of the most beginner friendly solutions available. You can automate your streams, run channels 24/7, and broadcast across multiple platforms with just a few clicks. And that makes it one of the most powerful live streaming tools for creators in 2026. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.